Hi everyone. Today we are going to try to solve the quadratic equation 5x squared plus 13x minus 6 equal to 0 by factorization. So first what you have to do is you have to do 5 times minus 6, right? So you do 5 times minus 6 equal to minus 30, right? Right, then you have to find two numbers. When you multiply them, you go to minus 30, and when you add them, you should get 13. So the two numbers could be 5 and 6. So if you do 5 times 6, or 5 times minus 6, or minus 5 times 6, you will get 13. But when we add these two numbers, you can never get 13. So that's why we have to try another option, another two numbers, and then let's try, for instance, 15 and 2. Yeah, so 15 times 2 is 30, and to get minus 30 we can do minus 15 times 2 or 15 times minus 2. But because when you add these two numbers you should get 13, and I think the best option is to do 15 times minus 2. So 15 times minus 2 equal to minus 30, and 15 plus minus 2 equal to 13. Right. So once you have you got your numbers 15 and minus 2, now you go back here, you keep the first part, the first term the same, 5x squared. Also you keep this one the same, minus 6. So all you have to change is the middle part of the quadratic equation, this one, plus 13x. You will change it into plus 15x and minus 2x. So plus 13x, it will be plus 15x and minus 2x. All you have to do, add x here. Okay then. So once you expand the 13x into 15x and minus 2x, you have to draw a line here in the middle. You have four terms, you split them up into two parts, and then you factorize each part. Yeah, so let's factorize the first two numbers. So 5x squared plus 15x, if I factorize it, I should get 5x bracket x plus 3. All right, let's try again. So 5x squared, good. All right, look, 5x times x is 5x squared, and 5x times 3 is 15x. Good. And then you go back here, and then to factorize this, you can put the minus outside the bracket, and these two numbers also can be divided by 2. So the factor is minus 2, right? And then what is left inside the bracket is x and minus 3. Let's check it. Minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Minus 2 times minus 3 is 6. So I have to put plus 3 here. Yeah? So minus 2 times 3 is minus 6. And you must always get one bracket that's repeating itself. So you must get one bracket is the same. Otherwise your factorization is wrong. So you always have to get one bracket that is the same in both sides. So now all you have to do, you do write your bracket x plus 3 here once, yeah, and then this coefficient 5x and minus 2, you write them inside another bracket, 5x minus 2, and then equal to 0. Right, so now we just factorized this quadratic equation, and now we just have to solve it. So solve means you have to find the value of x that make this quadratic equation equal to 0. And to do this, all you have to do, you can put each bracket equal to 0. So 5x minus 2 equal to 0, or this bracket x plus 3 equal to 0. So let's solve them separately. Yeah. So then here you have to do 5x, add the 2 to both sides. Yeah, just solve it like a normal way of solving linear equations. Then divide by 5, so x equal to 2, divide by 5. And you go here and you do x minus 3 from both sides, so this cancels this, yeah, like this, and then you have x equal to minus 3. So you have two solutions, x equal to 2 or 5 and x equal to minus 3. All right.